Whoa.
Yeah, we do.
Well, that's cool. Oh, wow. Look at the yard, Lauren. Hey, Lauren, look at the yard.
Wow. My goodness, there's a lot of snow out here. Look, Daddy, look.
It's really coming down now.
Yeah, it is.
We ought to try not to mess up the other part of the yard. Just stay over here, Lauren. Well, we don't want to mess up the pretty yard until later. Oh. The great snow of 2010.
Hey, Lauren.
Ah!
Yep. Yesy.
Wow. Yeah. Oh, we've only got 1 minute left of. No, 1 minute left of.
Oh, film time?
Yeah.
Goodness. To delete some. You know.
Woo-wee.
Tomorrow's Saturday, so we're all set. You know, when we walk around the block, people on the next street up, somebody had like a...
I'll make the big one.
Run out there. Run out. Run across the snow.
Okay.
Oh, goodness. That looks like fun. How deep it is.
This is almost to the top of my feet.
I know. It's the top of your boots. It's so deep. My goodness.
Too bad you don't have. I thought you would be glad if you had one of these. Oh! Dad!
Hey, kitty.
Adrian, come walk out here.
Yeah, Kevin.
Mom, I found the R.
My goodness, I'm glad I found those boots last night. Oh, I did.
Look what's over here.
Can you watch us a second while you get it?
Sure. Make another snow angel, Lauren. Let me see. Whoa! Get over here. Right here. Right here.
Okay.
Make one right there.
Okay. Oh, I have ice on my shoe.
Okay, go make a snow angel.
I have ice on my shoe.
Well, don't take your shoe off right here. That's not a good idea.
See? Snow.
Look at that. And there's little Lucy.
Cold. I need to get inside.
You want to go back inside?
Yeah, I'm getting cold on my feet.
Yeah, Lauren! That's not fair. I wasn't ready. I'd like to not get snow inside my coat if that's okay.
Okay,
I'm gonna get you back. No, please don't throw in at Lucy, sweetheart. She can't defend herself.
Not Lucy.
And not Mommy. Can you give me a minute, please?
Sure.
Trying to get me.
I told her to.
That else finds my cold so amusing.
Cool.
Go get him!
Help me up. Help me up. Oh, they hurt. Oh. That way, that way, that way. Here's the Greer house. The great snow of 2010. 8.6 inches officially. We got a little over 7 at the house.
Alright, sweetheart, be very careful right here. This is all ice. Very slippery.
I can't go in this because that's slippery.
Okay. The Ziploc bags help keep your feet dry? Yeah, that's good. Might be a little cold, but at least you're dry. Go and get off the ice, sweetheart. Come out here in the street. Stomp the snow off your shoes. You've got like 2-inch risers on your boots right now. Here, go and go like this.